Namaste, Jevin. I, Jevin Shobha Kumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Faculty of Agriculture Veterinary Science. Today, I deliver a lecture on this topic, package of practices of sorghum. Package of practices of sorghum. Sorghum bicolor. It is a scientific name. Initially domesticated in Central Africa in the region of Ethiopia and Sudan. Subsequently, cultivation of sorghum spread throughout the Africa and Asia and finally to the America and Australia. Today, it is one of the world's major food crops, particularly in areas of high temperature and low rainfall. It is used for human consumption and to feed different kind of livestock such as birds, pigs, and cows. There are different views about the place of origin of sorghum. It is a scientist was of the opinion that it was originated in India and Africa. De Candolle said that sorghum was originated in Africa. It is believed to originate from the northeast of Africa or Abyssinia and brought to the USA and European countries by slaves. Geographical distribution of sorghum. Sorghum is grown all part of the world except cool northeast part of Europe. Sorghum belt in the India receive 400 to 1000 mm rainfall. In the world, Africa is the major continent cultivate sorghum, and North America. So South America and Asian countries also grow sorghum. In India, mainly on central peninsular India, such as Maharashtra, Karnataka, MP, AP, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat are important states are cultivating sorghum crop. Economic importance of sorghum crop. Sorghum is a generally grain crop mostly grown in Africa, Asia, Central America, primarily to ease food insecurity. It is the world fifth largest grain crop and Africa second most important in terms of tonnage. Sorghum is mostly grown in semi-arid subtropical region due to its resistance to harsh weather condition. Sorghum, a grain forage or sugar crop, is among the most efficient crop in conversion of solar energy and use of water. Sorghum is known as a high energy drought tolerant crop because of its wide use of adoption. Sorghum is one of the really indispensable crop required for the survival of humankind. In the United States, South America and Australia, sorghum grain is used primarily for livestock feed and is growing number of ethanol plants. In the livestock market, sorghum is used in the poultry, beef and pork industry. Stem and foliage are used for stems and foliage are used for green chop, hay, silage and pasture. Importance of sorghum crop. Sorghum, the rich food. Carbohydrate 70% high, protein 8 to 15%, 9%, fat 3.4%. Cultural practices. Cultural practices, season and varieties, selection of seed. Good quality seed are collected from disease and pest-free field and seed rate. Irrigated, transplanted 7.5 kg per hectare. Direct sown 10 kg per hectare. Seeded is required. Rain-fed 15 kg per hectare is required. Sorghum under irrigated condition is raised both direct sown crop and transplanted crop. Advantage of transplanted crop. Main field duration is reduced by the 10 days. Main field duration is reduced by the 10 days in transplanted crop. Shoot fly which attack direct sown crop during the first 3 weeks and which is difficult to control can be controlled effectively and economically in the nursery itself. Seedling which show chlorotic and downy mildew symptoms can be eliminated, thereby incidence of downy mildew in the main field can be minimized. Optimum population can be maintained as only healthy seedlings are used for transplanting. Seed rate can also be reduced by the 2.5 kg per hectare. Preparation of land, 1 deep plowing with the mold ball flow in summer followed by 3 to 4 harrowing to maintain weed-free condition. Making compartment burns 10 into 10 meter in the month of August for soil moisture conservation. Selection of high-yielding hybrid and varieties. Maharashtra, a medium to heavy soil area, CSH16, CSH18, SPH388, CSH23, CSH25, CSH30. These are the varieties suitable in the Maharashtra. Karnataka, CSH14, 17, 30. These are the variety for low rainfall areas in Karnataka. CSH16, CSH13, 18, 23, 30. These are the variety suitable in Karnataka where low normal rainfall areas. Rajasthan, medium to heavy soil zone, CSH14, 23, 25, 27 is suitable in Rajasthan. Method of sowing and time of sowing. Method of sowing. The crop is sown by the bullock drawn seed drill with the 2 or 3 coulter at 7 centimeter depth in the soil. The seed are covered by the one harrowing after the sowing by seed drill. It is also sown by the tractor drawn seed drill with the 4 coulter with the simultaneous covering of seed by the blade attached to the seed drill. Time of sowing. The optimum sowing time for Kharif sorghum is last week of May and second fortnight of July. Seed rate spacing and plant population and nutrient management. Seed rate 8 to 10 kg per hectare is required. Spacing row to row 45 centimeter and plant to plant 15 centimeter. Plant population per hectare 2.1 to 2.2 lakh per hectare is plant population required. Nutrient management 80 kg nitrogen, 40 kg phosphorus per hectare is required. 50% nitrogen and full phosphorus at sowing. Balance 50% nitrogen after 30 days after sowing as a top dressing. Intercultivation, weed control. Intercultivation 2 or 3 times at 3, 5 and 7 weeks after sowing to check the weed growth and also help conserve soil moisture by the providing topsoil mulch. Weed management in sorghum crop. Application of atrazine 0.5 kg per hectare is recommended for spraying on the soil as a pre-emergence application, that is second or third day of sowing. Sorghum-based cropping system in Kharif. Sorghum with red gram as an intercrop is found practical in 2:1, 3:3 row proportion. Alternatively, the sorghum and fodder cowpea as an intercrop in the ratio 2:2 is also 40% more profitable. Soybean also becoming other important intercrop with the sorghum crop. In the intercropping system, the yield of grain and fodder from the sorghum crop is similar to its whole crop. Therefore, the grain from the intercrop are additional. In the deep black soil having adequate rainfall, sunflower or Bengal gram can be grown after Kharif sorghum. Water management in sorghum crop. Provide one inlet to each nursery unit. Allow water to enter through the inlet, cover the all channel till the raised bed are fed, and then cut off water. Adjust the frequency of irrigation according to soil type. If it is red soil, 4 to 5 days interval, and black soil, 5 to 6 days interval is to be maintained. Thank you guys. If you have any query, any doubt about this regarding this session, please write in comment box.